Hello YouTube, this is Droppy here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a Modern Warfare 3 free-for-all gameplay on the map Carbon. This match I was using an MP7 with extended mags and silencer with obviously 2 attachments. I had a frag, and this was like the first game I've ever used portable radar, and it worked out. But this is a 30-0 Moab gameplay and free-for-all. If I haven't said that already, whatever. But what I'm going to be talking about this video is about a man in Maryland that was caught selling weed out of an ice cream truck. So apparently this guy was just driving around neighborhoods acting like he was selling ice cream. Maybe he was selling some ice cream, but he's making most of his money from selling weed. And so I guess he was just, I don't even know what to say. I mean, I've never seen and heard of a dude selling weed out of an ice cream truck. And yeah, well, that's all I really know about it. But what else I'm going to be talking about is what I'm going to be doing on this channel and what I plan on doing in the future. So I obviously will be making commentaries like 95% of the other gaming channels. But I'm just going to try and make my stuff different from all the other people, because it seems like everybody's just hopping on the bandwagon and doing the same thing. Like, I've seen a bunch of those Moab Mondays and stuff. And I mean, that just stuff gets old watching it on every other channel. So I have a couple things in mind, but I'm not going to tell you yet, because I'm just going to save them and I'm going to try them out, see if you guys like them. You might not. But if there are any other games that you would like to see, maybe any other commentaries or just gameplays like Minecraft or something, I might buy that game, because a lot of people have been, like, I don't know, I've been seeing a lot of gaming Modern Warfare 3 channels doing Minecraft videos. So I might be doing that. And well, that's about it for this video. Don't have anything else to say, because I didn't really plan. But I'm just gonna let you finish out this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Enemy SAM detected.